Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So long time no see. If this is your first time watching the beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Oh good. We're gonna get into this a very minimalist but pop of color look. I'm not gonna be wearing any foundation today, so that's why I'm calling it minimalist. But we do want to spice it up and make it fun and fresh for spring. So that's why I decided to do this purpley blue winged liner. So it was a bit of a struggle to get this liner done. Y'all are gonna see in the video what I do. All right. But yeah, I think we were able to salvage the look. So I'm super tan, super chocolate, and I am so excited to be showing you guys some new products that, I've been dying to talk about. I have been talking about this product on my Instagram a little bit. And then I also have one other thing that I want to show you guys. And I was really excited when Sol de Janeiro sent this to me. It is their Cabana cream. So I was like, yeah, I've been wanting to try their products for so long. We know about the Bum Bum cream, and people always talk about how good that smells. So I was excited, right? So then they sent me this. It's the Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Body Cream. And I like the concept, right? It's oil in water. I use shea butter on my skin because I like how oil works on my skin. So when I heard oil in water, I was like, okay, that sounds very interesting. Now, it looks really decadent in here, which you can barely see, but I hate the smell of this product. I think it's because it has a sweetness to it. So they say that this product kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil. And I hate a sugar scent. I just don't know why I don't like it. So like candles that have cotton candy, sugar, marshmallows, anything like that, I just don't like it. So, I tried it on my skin, and yeah, this scent is not for me. I even, gave some to my sister, and she was like, no, she can't even use it. So I'm gonna find one of my friends who loves this scent, and hopefully I can re-gift it to them. I think that it's really good at moisturizing your skin. It's not the best lotion that I've ever used, but if the smell was better, I know I would really like it, and I would use it. But because I cannot stand the smell of it, I'm definitely going to re-gift this to a friend. I would definitely say try out Sol de Janeiro. I heard their Bum Bum cream is divine. I've actually smelled that one myself before, and I do like that fragrance. But this cocoa sugar blend is not for me, honey. Okay. Alright, so now we can jump into this skincare and makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's get into it. So I received this product from Eve Lum, y'all. And if you remember, I got this Radiance face mist from Eve Lum, and I've been loving it. I really do like their products. They're very chic. They're a little bit more on the high-end side, but I will say that their products are quality. So I wouldn't mind paying a little bit more for, the increased research and the luxurious feel of the products. So they sent me their Radiance Transforming Mask, and it comes in this box right here. And this is the jar. Now, y'all, I've been on vacation for a while now, and my sister has been using this product because she absolutely loves it. Do you see how much is gone from in here? Basically, she was using it every day because she loved the way it made her skin feel. And I could also attest to that. So this face mask is a little different from the ones I've tried before. So basically, you can leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it off and go about your day, or you could put it onto your skin and then sleep with it. And then in the morning when you rinse your skin, it's supposed to be like, ah, baby's butt. And listen, it really does make your skin very radiant, very smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a little bit of the deets, right? So the Eve Lum Radiance Transforming Mask is an intensive treatment that reawakens the skin with a mega dose of antioxidant-rich botanicals and gentle exfoliant for a smoother, more youthful appearance. A unique mineral complex protects from free radicals and oxidative stressors. When massaged into the skin, the mask's decadent texture warms up upon application and transforms into a silk-like cushion, revealing supple, radiant skin. Yes, that's what we want. So I've been on vacation and I have not really been wearing foundation, y'all. I know, it's just like, wow, I'm a totally different person. That's how I feel. Because it was so hot in Trinidad, I could not wear foundation because I was just dripping with sweat. So products like these, you know, made me feel very confident going foundationless. All right, because I really treasure my skin and I think I really take care of my skin. So when I find a product that I really like, I want to let you guys know about it. So this jar, which is 3.3 fluid ounces, retails for $90. And there will be a link in the description bar where you can purchase it. So it comes with this little applicator. I used to put a lot of this on, but you only need a little bit because your face will be really, really greasy. So you really don't need a lot. So I just put like that amount into my hand and I'm just going to push my hair back. I'm going to rub it in the palms of my hands. And I'm just going to smooth it onto my face. I know y'all see how tanned I am right now and I'm absolutely loving it. So it is thick. It is very, very thick. So you may have to get accustomed to how it feels on your skin. It does have rose oil in it, but I don't get that scent at all. Okay, so I got that all over my face. Now I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes and then I will rinse it off and then we'll be back for a minimalist makeup look with a pop of color. Okay, so this is my skin right after I rinsed it off. So you can imagine if you do this twice a week for a month, your skin probably will be super soft, super supple and radiant. I just put this hair dye on so I can control the hair a little bit. So yeah, so let's move on to our minimalist makeup look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my eye cream on. I'm using the First Aid Beauty Retinol Eye Cream. I know the last time I said this wasn't anything special. I kind of still feel that way about it, but you know, I'm using it until it's finished. Then I'm gonna go in with my blemish control serum from Caudalie. Y'all know I love this stuff. Then I'm gonna go in with my Patchology AquaFlash Daily Gel Moisturizer, which I absolutely love, y'all. I took it with me to Trinidad and I love it. I really like it for the winter and for the summer. It's so cooling. It feels amazing on your skin and it dries down to like the best texture ever. My skin is feeling really, really good, y'all. This Evelyn Transforming Mask is a go. I haven't done a YouTube video in so long. I'm just like, where do I begin? Okay. So, you know, we usually do our brows off camera. I'm just going to speed this up. Okay, so now that the brows are done, I'm going to go into this Morphe 15T palette right here. I'm going to take this brown shade called Throwback and I'm putting that in my crease. So guys, what has been going on? I went home for approximately 20 days and it was a really, really nice vacation. I am happy that I took it and I got to see my family. I also got to go to a couple of fetes back home. It was really, really nice. So now I'm ready to be back on the grind. I am thinking of having a makeup class here in Maryland and I want to get feedback from you guys. Those of you who live in Maryland or live in DC or even Virginia, would you be interested in coming to a makeup class put on by yours truly? I'm probably going to be doing, we're still trying to work out the logistics for it, but you know, I still want to get feedback from people who support me in order to make this experience amazing. This would be my very first event and you know, I want it to be top notch. So let me know what you would like to see if you came to a LaBeat class, some of the techniques you may want to learn, you know, just let your girl know in the comment section below. So I'm taking a little bit of Morphe Babe, this orangey shade right here, and I'm just blending that into my brow bone. So I know I said this was going to be minimalist, and why I say minimalist of this look is that we're not going to be wearing any foundation, and you know, I want it to be super easy to do. So I used 2 eyeshadows so far. I'm going to put this gold shade right here on my lid, and then we're gonna do a blue winged liner. I really want to start creating more beginner friendly content, so I felt like this eye look would be very beginner friendly. You know, I'm using one inexpensive palette from Morphe, and I'm showing you how you could take it up a notch. The first time I used this palette, I wasn't so wowed by it, but I definitely think it is beginner friendly, and also for that person who likes more muted looks. So, you know, look at this bronze. It's giving you that bronze, but it's not like insane. Then I'm gonna go into this Ofra highlight palette, and I'm gonna take these two shades, just a little bit of these two, and put that on my brow bone. And that would be Blissful and Bali. Now for this blue liner, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this white liner from NYX. This is a liquid liner, and I'm gonna make the line with this first, and then I'm gonna go over with a blue pencil. So I want to brighten up my face just a little bit. So I'm going to take a little bit of foundation, okay? We're not using this all over our face. We're just using it under our eyes. So I'm going to be taking the Colourpop No Filter Foundation, right? This is in the shade 195 Deep Dark. So yes, you can use your foundation as a concealer to brighten. And I'm also going to put it around my mouth because, you know, I do have a little mustache right there. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just pouncing that all over my face. So the blue eyeliner is dried up, so change of plans. We're going to be taking this purple color from Colourpop called Lace. This is a super shock shadow, and I've tried to put eyeshadow over this liner, but it's not working. So I think using a cream product is what I need to do. I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is the E65 from Sigma, just to get the wing. Okay, so the wing liner is done. So it's a little freckled. I made a faux pas with that white liner from NYX. But now I'm just going to powder my entire face using the Fit Me loose powder in 40. I'm going to use the same Ofra highlight palette, but I'm only gonna use Bali. Can't even see this shade right here because it's so light. And a little bit of this highlight goes a long way. Then I'm just gonna put on Lena lashes, Monroe. And then for my lips, I'm gonna be using Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss in Dirty Chapter. Alright, you guys know every product that I use on this face is going to be in the description box below. If you guys notice, I didn't really use any baking powder under my eyes, and that ties into this minimalist look as well. Okay, I just used the foundation to highlight under my eyes a little bit, but my face is very even, and yeah, I'm liking this look, guys. I'm telling you, I'm changing up on y'all just a little bit because I feel like as I get older, you know, I am liking the more soft and barely there kind of makeup. Yeah, I know, right? I feel like I've been getting that way for the past year, I think, because I did that minimal makeup look on my channel. And whenever I do review foundations and stuff, I rarely use a lot of the product. So I'm trying to get back to skin and why I love my skin and treating my skin really well. So this Eve Lum product is like a fave of mine. I know it's $90, y'all. Go to Sephora, get a sample, thank me later, and then I'm sure you're gonna be purchasing it yourself. This is luxury in a jar, okay? Look at how my skin is glowing. I did use the Patchology moisturizer, so I feel like these two do work well together. But yeah, overall, I'm loving how my skin is looking. I'm loving this tan that I have from Trinidad and Tobago. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Le.Beat on Instagram and on Snapchat, and LeBeat Inc. on Facebook and Twitter. Let me know what else you would like to see from me. I'm ready. I'm raring to go. And thank you so much for watching this video. And have a great night, guys. Bye.